Alright, we're back in. Not a whole lot going on. It's kind of a stretch of nothing. Concrete, old buildings, real estate shit. But I think this Verdugo, Antonio Verdugo, and take us up. Yeah, there's some stuff up there. Community. What is up there? Oh, not quite. Not quite. Almost done. Pickleball, of course. This? Oh, government. Here's the Hotel Los Palmas. Hotel Palmas. It's pretty big. Ah, look at that. This is a nice little center-ish park. But the real thing is going to be this view. Look at this. Wow. Quite nice. I think I'll take this up, take it around, back down to 20th. Head on home and some fish tacos for dinner. I'll get 4 tacos for $8. $2 a taco. 40 pesos, I think, is the price. Yeah, you get a lot of those barking dogs. Just random. Some of them are roam, some of them are on their owners, and they just do whatever the hell they want. Oh, this looks like a fancy place. Very nice. There was something else. Oh, there it is. Chapitos. This is kind of the other supermarket. It's very expensive. Allegedly. Looks like it's got better options though. And up there's where I got picked up. Okay. Let's check out the barrels. It's not much further. These local spots. Ceviche, campechana, I don't know if that is chile molcajete, mariscos, chile rellenos. Got people over there. See, like this guy up here, this dog. Whose is he? I sure don't know. He looks friendly. Hi, buddy. You look friendly-ish. You got a collar. I don't want to get too close to you, though. Free? Private transfer. East Cape Health Center. Ah, look at that, man. That's a nice sunset. And apparently the best, quote unquote, the best bank is BBVA. And the best transfer conversion rate is Interbank. It's somewhere around here. But they run out of money because it has the best one. Oh man. I think that's how it works here. You'd be like, hey, help. Private transport for free. I wonder if this is just the city does it, the town does it. I mean, it's fairly busy. It's not jam-packed, but it's got a good 20, 15, I'd say 2/3 full. So BBVA is a good thing. I think Inter whatever is up here. This is kind of on the north end of town. Sushi and mariscos. There's so much seafood here. It's crazy. I love it. I'm basically to eat seafood 21 days a month. Intercam, that's the one. Intercam. They've got the best conversion. Bola 8 ball. Consignment. All that good stuff. Bagos bar. It's like kind of a sports bar on the outskirts. I like it. And this is the main turnaway. The Uno, the one, takes you up to La Paz or down to Los Cabos or San Jose de Cabos. No, Los Cabos, there's more than one. I think up there's pharmacy and hardware store. Picture here. I don't know what's going on. I'm just gonna go for it. Oh, there we go. Just this Rotary Club put this in. Nice little display. And allegedly they either refilled their spring water with barrels, the pirates, or they stashed their gold in barrels and buried them somewhere and were never found. I don't know which one's correct, but that is how the story goes. I'm going to pause it here, take a quick picture, and we'll resume.